send me latency. Me drive off, make you feel them see. Have a girl from my phone like agency.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and stand hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone is doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so Squash and BYRON MESSIA have recently convened in Florida to collaborate on new music. Here's a sneak peek at their upcoming songs.
Me drive off, make you feel them see. Have a girl from my phone like agency. 1K B6 GCITY Badness. Going through me, everybody feels it. We see financial jealousy, we are the realest. We full of rage, I saw me stay. Me clapping 15 or nothing under here. Something me full of pain, we couldn't tear. I know me outside with the kid.
From the snippets we have heard thus far, it's evident that this track possesses all the markings of a chart topper. However, amidst the excitement surrounding their musical partnership, it's imperative not to overlook the ongoing feud between Squash and Skeng over the thing, right? While Squash could potentially leverage this song to deliver a diss track aimed at Skeng, the ramifications of such a move could inadvertently embroil BYRON MESSIA in the conflict, which is why we must exercise caution when allowing others to dictate our enemies. Because Squash, you could say, alright then Squash now I go choose enemy for BYRON MESSIA because him choose for this Skeng in the song. If you agree or disagree, let me know in the comments because I might be thinking too far ahead into it. Nevertheless, this collaboration marks a strategic move for Squash, given his substantial influence within Jamaican streets despite his prolonged absence from the island. Additionally, BYRON's recent success with the international hit Taliban further amplifies the potential impact of their collaboration, potentially revitalizing BYRON MESSIA appeal amongst disillusioned Jamaican dancehall fans. Moreover, this partnership signifies a convergence of the Six and Z-Tech camps, with BYRON MESSIA close ties with the Trinidadian Six, complementing Squash's central role within the group. Beyond the individual dynamics, the unity between both artists through this musical collaboration only serves to enhance the genre's global reach and appeal as we strive for more dancehall tracks to transcend cultural boundaries and attain mainstream recognition, right? Like the V6, like the Drift, like the Taliban, and many of these other songs gaining that recognition. Recent success like YG Marley's Praise Jah in the Moonlight underscore the significance of promoting Jamaican culture and Caribbean culture on a global scale. By embracing this ethos, we not only elevate the music but also foster greater inclusivity, enabling diverse audiences worldwide to connect with the rich heritage and vibrant rhythms of the Caribbean. You see me? So we need to do the right thing. When the song drop, we need to support the song the right and proper way, and just ultimately ignore BYRON MESSIA's comments about Jamaica and dancehall music and whether or not he do dancehall music, right? Or he's a rapper and these other things, and just support it, you know what I mean? Because it is our music, it is our culture, and if we don't support it, who else do we expect to, right? And also we know, and I know, that BYRON MESSIA did get a lot of sting during the TJ clash, that the clash that he had with TJ, and many Jamaicans do not support BYRON MESSIA anymore. It was a Jamaica versus St. Kitts type of thing, you know what I mean? So we just need to put that aside and know that BYRON MESSIA is collaborating with one of our artists, which is Squash. And Squash, we know how Squash come about here and run the place, and the Six run the place left, right and center, and now they're doing a big collaboration. We just need to support it. You get me? So you dig, do the right thing.